how did you first get into sales? Because I know that like you're you're really into sales, that's
Yeah.
safe to say. But I was just wondering, like, was there a single moment where you realized like I want to dedicate my life to sales or anything like that?
I mean, yes and no. I always just wanted to do something big. And I knew I was never going to be a doctor or a lawyer or all that class of stuff. Like, Nana, right? When she's like, man, you got to be a doctor or a lawyer, right? Like,
Yeah.
and I knew that was probably not in the cards for me. And I think more importantly, all of the stuff that bothered me when I was young, when I was your age, 99% of it was because it was out of my control, right? Like I didn't have a car when I was your age. I thought it was because it was out of my control. I probably could have bought a car. And I thought, boy, if I could get really good at sales, I can meet people, I can talk to people, I can make things happen. And all of that is in my control. I don't need $20 million to start a business. I don't need a $500,000 college education to be able to do this. This is something that I could do. This is something that you can do. This is something that anybody could do, and you're 100% in control of it. And when I was your age, it was more just that being able to think and go, wow, something big might happen for me, and I don't need somebody else to make that happen. So I think that's what really got my attention with sales. That's what got me excited about it.